as we are observing, friends, that in last 10 days there is a consistent attack on the pride and identity of Karnataka. We had pointed out some issues yesterday, starting from 865 bordering villages of Karnataka, and Maharashtra government had allocated or done the health insurance scheme. 26 member of parliaments of BJP and Bomai government is mum on this, is silent on this. Why they are keeping silent? The brand Nandini, there is a consistent attack to kill the brand Nandini, to kill Karnataka Milk Federation. Bomai government and 26 MPs, none of them is in favor of brand Nandini. All of them are standing with Amit Shah ji and Modi ji. Yesterday I thought that why they want to kill brand Nandini, and I got the answer today. And I want to share that. The price of the curd per litre of Nandini is 47 rupees. The price of the curd per litre of Amul is 66 rupees. If you will add 40% in 47, it comes out as 66. Because Bombay government was not getting 40% cut here. They were not able to get 40% cut in the Nandini milk, in the Nandini curd. And if you will add 40% in the Nandini curd price, which is 47 rupees a litre, exactly you will get the Amul curd price per litre. 47 rupees plus 40% of 47 is 19 rupees, that comes out as 66 rupees, and Amul curd price is 66 rupees a litre. This figure 40 is attached to Bomai government. I don't know how come they are having so much. I don't know how come they are having so much affection to the term 40. I will give you another example. Today there was a news that BDA paid rupees 40 crore for work not done. Again 40. 40% PCM. 40% here, the difference between the curd prices of Nandini and Amul. 40 crore rupees Bangalore Development Authority released for the work which was not done. I think this is a Guinness Book of World Record. You might have seen the corruption in the payment, but here payment was done and there is no work done. And the two construction contract companies are saying we don't want also to do or complete this work. You are surprised to know this. And I think this word 40 is attached to BJP so much that on 13th May, their tally will also be at 40. They will not have more than 40 MLAs. So word 40 is with them. Bomai Sahab, Yedurappa ji, 40 is permanently with you. 40% commission, 40 crore rupees BDA. Without any work, you gave 40 crore rupees. 40% is the difference between the curd price of Amul and Nandini, and 40 will be the number of MLAs for Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of Karnataka in 2023. So, friends, nobody is speaking for the pride of Karnataka, whether it is CRPF, BJP government is silent, BJP MLAs are silent. CRPF 1,30,000 constables. It's not a small number. 1,30,000 constables has to be recruited by CRPF. And the examination can be either in Hindi or English. So if I had gone through a Kannada medium school, so you are taking a right of me to become constable and serve the country. Why they are not following the 8th schedule of the constitution where all the languages are recognized? Why a person can't write in the language which is mentioned or prescribed in 8th schedule? So whether it is Maharashtra, Karnataka border districts, Karnataka villages, budget is allocated by Maharashtra government, Bombay government is silent. Nandini is taken away by Amit Shah ji, Bombay government is silent. CRPF exams were only given in Hindi and English. 1,30,000 vacancies has to be filled. Bombay government is silent. And not only Bombay government, none of the MP, and I am surprised to see all MPs wants to become CM in BJP. Everybody is moving to trying to become CM. But none of them having a courage to write to Home Minister, under whose direct jurisdiction CRPF comes, that we want students should be allowed to write exams of constable in Kannada language. None of them had written a letter also.
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new age design. Book now